Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials in place. Install Git and set your user name and user email so commits attribute correctly. Once done, create the repo on GitHub or run Git in it locally and connect origin. Make a focused Git ignore and a README MD to document intent. Then stage files with Git add and create the first commit with Git commit m initial. Make sure to set the main branch name to main or master to match remote conventions. You now run the development loop. Create a feature branch with git checkout b feature / brief name to isolate work and keep main stable. As you edit, stage logical changes with git add p when needed and commit often with clear messages that explain why. Once a unit of work is ready, push the branch with git push u origin feature / brief name and open a pull request to trigger review. This protects history and makes merges auditable. You finish by merging approved pull requests into main or performing git merge noff locally to preserve history. You squash merges intentionally when you want a single tidy commit. Make sure to keep your local main synced with git fetch, then git pull rebase to avoid unnecessary merge commits. If conflicts occur, stop, resolve the files carefully, git add the resolved files, then git commit to complete the merge, and git push. A key tip: if history gets messy, use reflog to find lost commits and recover them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.